Hello everyone, welcome back to Fixage. Ever wondered how to change what happens when you press your PC's power button? Today I will show you how to customize it so you can choose to shut down, sleep, or hibernate. So without further delay, let's start. First, we need to open the power options. Search for control panel, hit the enter key. In the control panel, go to hardware and sound. Under that, search for power options. Click on that. In the left hand side, there will be option choose what the power buttons do. Click on that. Here there are settings. On battery plugged in means when you connect it to the charger, what should we do when we press on the power button, or without connecting the charger, what should be done when you press the power button. Currently it is selected as sleep, means when you connected the charger or not, if you press the power button it will go to sleep mode. You can change that by clicking on this do nothing, hibernate, shutdown, or just turn off the display. If you change here, that power button will change their function. So I am changing it to shutdown. If we click on the power button, it will shut down the system. And also other options are there. When I press the sleep button, what to do? When we closing the laptop lid, what should be done? It can sleep or nothing or just shut down. We can change the option according to that. If when you see the power button, there is no option of hibernate. In that case, we can add that hibernate button. There will be option change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on that. Here, check this hibernate option and click on save changes. Now go to Windows power button, check that hibernate button has been added. After that, close the control panel and check by pressing the power button. Now it will perform the action you selected. No more accidental shutdown. That's it. Now you have customized your power button action in Windows. Hope you liked this video. Share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.